The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit ruled November 26 of 2018 that general contractors who fail to control hazardous conditions at multi-employer work sites can be cited by OSHA, even if the conditions are not directly impacting their own employees. According to the Fifth Circuit's published decision, Phelps Construction subcontractor Haynes Eglin Waters hired another company, CVI Development, for demolition, excavation, and other work in 2014 at a library construction site in Austin, Texas. A CVI excavation project did not have a protective system like sloping or shoring, and a nearly vertical wall of soil was stacked about 12 feet high. It's crazy to me that these excavation issues are still so prevalent. But anyway, when CVI attempted to have its employees work elsewhere on the construction site during a rainy morning in March of 2015, a City of Austin inspector and a Phelps Construction area superintendent told CVI owner Carl Daniels that his workers had to go back to the excavation site. As a result of obvious willful circumstances, the controlling contractor, in this case, Phelps Construction, was cited a willful citation and $70,000 because of OSHA's multi-employer citation policy, where Phelps, in any case where other controlling contractors that are directing the work and schedule of subcontractors, had the power and the obligation to correct the hazards before work continued for any employee on that site. We get questions about multi-employer policies, and I need each of our clients to understand that you are responsible for every contractor that steps foot on your site. This includes construction and industry clients. You have an obligation to hold each contractor to your safety standards and ensure each is following their own as well. This includes documenting any disciplinary actions you've taken with them and ensuring they make the necessary changes without consistent repeat offenses. Having argued several of these types of cases on our clients' behalf, I can assure you it's a very difficult case when you don't have these items in place. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. But until next time, I'm Jake Wolfenden with Summit Safety Group and Safety Consulting Now. Have an awesome day.